Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting about 2 minutes so electronic modules fully reset. Next, remove the shift knob, turn or pull depending on model, and pry off the surrounding trim panels with a plastic tool so you avoid scratches. As you expose screws, keep them organized in a magnetic tray and photograph each connector location. This saves time when reassembling. Once done, you should see the console fasteners and access points for the next stage. Now you remove screws under the cup holder liner and inside the storage bin with a 10mm socket because many fasteners are hidden under liners. Carefully detach any HVAC, audio, and 12V or USB connectors. Press tabs and pull straight to avoid snapping clips. Slide the front seats back for working room, and if the parking brake or shift linkage blocks removal, unbolt the linkage with the proper wrench. This prevents binding when lifting the console. Make sure all electrical plugs are free before you attempt to lift. When everything is unbolted and unplugged, lift the console evenly from its rear toward the front to disengage retaining clips. Don't yank a corner, because clips can break. As you remove it, tape and label connectors to their matching harnesses so reconnection is foolproof, and put all screws in their named bags. Once reinstalled, reconnect the battery and test electrical functions before fully tightening trim. If something doesn't power up, check related fuses and ground connections. Often the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.